So in this video we are going to discuss multiplication of decimal numbers. As you can see, our first question is 0.5 times 0.3. So you can see the question is written here. Then we will follow the steps mentioned here. Write the given two numbers vertically each other. So our first number is here and second decimal number is here. So we will write them vertically each other. And at this point I would like to tell, as in addition we put the decimals below each other, here it is not important. You can place the decimal. It is not necessary always to put the decimal below each other. With other examples I will explain. Incidentally, in this they are written below each other. That is also not that is also correct. You can write them below each other, or you just can write them in any way. So second step is now multiply the two numbers neglecting decimal point. Now consider as if there is no decimal. So when you multiply 5 and 3, what is the answer? 15. So write the answer. Now the thing is where to place the decimal. So step 3 is place the decimal according as explained in the video. So listen to my explanation how to and where to place the decimal. For that you need to count the number of digits after the decimal in first and second number. So in the first one, how many digits are there after the decimal? Just one digit, that is 5. One digit. In the second one also, there is just one digit after the decimal, that is 3. So just one digit. Now add these two, so 2. Now from the right hand side, count 2 digits and place the decimal after second digit. So this will be, decimal will come here, and just below the behind the decimal you put one this 0. This 0 has no meaning, but I will explain in at some other point why we put 0. So I hope you have understood. Let me give you another question to understand it better. As you can see in the second video, second question, here is 1.25 times 0.4. So write them 1.25 0.4. So there is here you might have noticed I haven't put the two decimals below each other. In fact, in multiplication that is not mandatory. So next step would be, first step we completed, write down the two numbers vertically below each other. So that is done, and then next step is multiply the two numbers neglecting the decimal point. So if they consider them as if they are the numbers 125 and 4, we have neglected the decimal point, and when you multiply it you get 500. So you write 500. And third step is again to count the number of digits after the decimal. So in the first case there are 2 digits, in the second case there is only 1 digit. So total will be 2 plus 1, that is equal to 3. So from the extreme right, count 3 digits now, 1, 2, 3, and place the decimal after the third digit, and just place a 0 besides that. So our answer is 0.500. This is here 0.50 only. At some other point of time I will explain in decimal numbers 0.50, 0.500 or 0.5. In fact, they are equal in values. So we can go ahead with 0.500, the rule that we have learned. So we can write this also, there is no issue, but they are all same, that I will explain you later. Now here is our third question, 2.7 times 0.05. So first write them below each other vertically, 2.7, 0.05. Now consider them or neglect the decimal that you can see here. So you just consider them as we have just to multiply 27 and 5. So multiplying 27 and 5 gives you 7 5s are 35, 3, 5 2s are 10, and 3 13. That gives you 113. Now the point is where to place decimal. So decimal, you have to, for placing the decimal, you have to follow the same step. Count the number of digits in both the numbers, number of digits after the decimal. So in the first case there is just one digit, that is 7, and in the second case there are two digits, 0 5, so 2. So total number of digits 3. So from the extreme right you count 3 digits, 1 2 3, and put the decimal here and place a 0 here. So 0.135 is our answer, as you can see over here. Hope my explanation so far has been clear to you. Please don't hesitate to ask if you have any confusion. Thank you very much.